Hi, my name is Jacco van der Kooij. I'm the CEO of Winning by Design. Series, I love to share my passion for sales, and in particularly a scientific approach to sales. What we see into this data model is that historically we are used a funnel. This funnel that all of you know, it's a little bit historic, okay? Yeah, that's kind of historic. You thought that you brought in a Dutch speaker that you wouldn't get some EDM music. What we see in this case, 5 meetings with an approximate win rate of 20% means that every one of those 5 meetings on average has to be successfully converted at 72% rate. 72%. What we notice is that if we are starting multiplying multiple times our conversion rate, we essentially establish that exponential rate. Let me explain. Here we have an exponential graph. The further I go to the right, the more disproportionate the impact becomes. I'm talking as if I'm addressing Jennifer directly. And I say something to the extent of, Jennifer, Eric indicated to me that you have these 3 specific needs. Let me take you through how we at Salesforce address them. I am talking to Jennifer as if she's listening. These are great things, but what I want you to think about is customer-centric is helping the customer to buy and achieve the impact that they want. That is it. That's the simplicity of it. We need this because if I didn't build a proper framework first, then our data model wouldn't make sense. I first need to put in the proper fundamentals. Is it customer-centric? Does it deliver what the client wants? Otherwise, I'm just gonna have a limited data model. I'm just having too much fun. Don't you see what I see? Folks, this is what sales is about. We think that sales is about closing and objection handling. These are secondary skills. Learning what your customer really wants, the impact they want to achieve. That is the real art, what we refer to as art of sale, but it's just a science. Learn what your customer wants and deliver what they paid for.
We need to stop working harder and we need to start working smarter. We need to embrace the young people that are going to help us change these really big challenges that we have to face. In a time and an opportunity that we can change the world.